Hi, this is lesson 26, drawing pictures of fractions, the practice set. Here we go. This is your turn to do some practicing drawing fractions. I'm going to tell you what the fraction is. I want you to draw it in your journal. Hit pause, draw it in your journal, and then pop up again and see if yours matches mine. Now, you may have a different size and everything, but if the concept is the same, then awesome. So here we go. A is draw a square and shade 1/2 of it. So while you're doing this, I am going to be drawing a square. Come on now. Come on. Okay. Okay, here is my square. I've drawn it 2 different ways and I've shaded it 2 different ways. Okay, for B, draw a rectangle and shade 1/3 of it. So here's our rectangle. We're dividing it up into 3 pieces. And, well, they're kind of, okay, pretend, guys, that Mrs. Daw is a better drawer with her little tablet. These are even, okay? And then you need to draw one, and I'm going to just say, let's just draw this one. Hey. Okay, C is draw a circle and shade 3/4 of it. So here's a circle. Oh, I'm going to label this, by the way. And 1/2. Here's a circle, 3/4. That tells me that I need to cut it up into 4 equal pieces. Oh, guys, I'm gonna scratch over that. I do not like how that's looking. For some reason, my pen is being really special. Okay, so we have like this. Okay, that's a little even, more even, and we need 3 of those pieces. So here is 3/4. Moving on to D, draw a circle and shade 2/3 of it. Okay, here's our circle. I'm gonna break it up. Sometimes it's a little tricky getting it all broken up into 3 equal pieces. And it says 2/3. So I'm gonna go, here's 1/3, and here's 2/3. And E, finally, is 1/2 of the circle shaded. Why or why not? And they give somebody that even draws it worse than me, they shade this. And we can tell clearly this is not 1/2. If you and your little sister were splitting pizza right now, and she said, "Which half would you like?" You would not want this half, would you? That would not be fair. So obviously we can clearly see this is not 1/2. So thanks for drawing with me and good luck on your homework. Take care.